Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. If you're looking for the best way to protect your expensive iPhone 10, you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best cases that are available for your iPhone 10 that will preserve the look of the iPhone 10 while giving you a lot of protection. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. But before that, in case if you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. And let's get started with today's video. You might be wondering what this awesome case I'm talking about is, because it's preserving the look as well as going to give you a ton of protection. And the case that I'm talking about today is the Rhino Shield mod case. And this is an awesome new case by Rhino Shield that offers a ton of protection. Actually, I ordered this before I actually purchased my iPhone 10, so I got it on the day I received my iPhone 10. Because of that, I have been using the Rhino Shield mod case since day one with my iPhone 10, and I have been loving the experience. Rhino Shield sends out the package in a nice envelope, and here's my address if anyone wants to send some fan mail or send some products to review as well. Anyway, breaking the package open, we will see that we have the Rhino Shield mod case right in there. At the front of the box, it says mod right there in big letters, as well as it says compatible with the iPhone 10. And at the back, there are some instructions on how to use the case, as well as some other details. And towards the sides, we have the Rhino Shield logos, and it says mod at the bottom. Opening the mod case cover for the very first time reveals the Rhino Shield mod case that I ordered. I actually ordered the pink color. Because of my Galaxy S8 Plus, I am using the blue color Rhino Shield crash guard, so I want to try out their different colors. Also, we get a plastic transparent back that we can use to protect the device, and that's about it for the contents in this box. Since this is the mod case, this also comes with modular buttons, and that's pretty sweet because you can customize the look of your case without any issue. I can actually pick between different colors and use that with my mod case. So in this instance, I have ordered the white color buttons to have some contrast between the pink color case and the white color buttons, because I'm using a silver iPhone 10. I really dig the look, and it's pretty easy to put on these buttons and swap the case whenever I want. The Rhino Shield mod case has a honeycomb structure inside, and it gives tremendous impact protection for the devices when we use it. It's pretty easy for you to put on this Rhino Shield mod case onto your iPhone 10. All you have to do is assemble the Rhino Shield mod case with the buttons that you want to use and just slide your phone in. And it's that simple. And if you're not planning to use the transparent back Rhino Shield provided, you can just go ahead and use this as a bumper. And the best news is that even when you use it as a bumper, the protection still stands. That is why I love using the Rhino Shield mod case and the Rhino Shield crash guard, because it preserves the look of the device. If I use some other bulky case, it would not let me enjoy the look of the device, and I hate that. After inserting the device, the buttons feel really comfortable. To be honest, it feels much better than the buttons that are on the Rhino Shield crash guard. On my Galaxy S8 Plus, one of my biggest complaints with the Rhino Shield crash guard are the buttons. They are a bit too stiff, but I really like how the buttons work on the new mod case. Also, the cover feels great in the hand, and if I want to use the transparent back with this, I can use that too. After using this cover for almost 2 months now, I have to say that the transparent back is not doing that well after some hardcore use. If you look closely, you will see a lot of scratches at the back of the device, but I tend to use the device without the transparent backing with just the bumper, so I don't really have a problem because Rhino Shield is actually offering a ton of protection. If you really want to see a drop test, you can really find a ton of drop tests featuring the Rhino Shield mod case on YouTube. Even Rhino Shield has done a video. I will link that down below in the description so that you can get some idea about how durable this case actually is. Don't take my word for it, just go ahead and watch those videos and you will see. In case if you haven't seen my Rhino Shield crash guard video, I will have a card right here as well as a link down below in the description. So definitely go ahead and check it out if you have an Android device or if you are planning to pick up the Rhino Shield crash guard series instead of the mod series. The difference is that the Rhino Shield mod case is modular, but the crash guard is just one piece, so you can easily use it. Rhino Shield also offers some nice lenses to use with the Rhino Shield mod case, but unfortunately I couldn't actually go ahead and purchase those. But if anyone from Rhino Shield is watching, maybe you guys want to send me some stuff over so that I can check them out and make another awesome video on it just like this one. All my contact details are given down below in the description. Also, another great thing with the Rhino Shield mod case is that wireless charging still works on my iPhone 10 with this. And I really love that this case preserves the look, and that's one of the main reasons why I actually went ahead and picked this one up. I love that Rhino Shield has left enough and more cutouts on the Rhino Shield mod case, and this bumper even gives protection when I keep the device face down. So that's dope. If you're actually interested in the Rhino Shield mod case, you can actually go ahead and have a look at it. I will have a link down below in the description so that you can go ahead and purchase it directly from Rhino Shield's website. And the best part is, since this is the mod case, you can actually customize the look of the device and pick different back plates and pick between a lot of awesome colors. So you definitely have the opportunity to mix and match. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and I really hope that your iPhone 10 will be super protective after this. Go ahead and find the links to purchase these cases down below in the description, and definitely go ahead and show some love on social media by following me. All the links are again given down below in the description. If you are new to my channel, and in case if you haven't subscribed to me already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and also go ahead and hit on that little notification bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a new video like this on YouTube. Definitely stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. And until I talk to you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.